Think your business details are private? Think again. CorporationWiki.com collects and shares information about business owners, executives, and company affiliations, making it easy for anyone to find. If you want to keep your data private, I'll show you exactly how to remove it. What is CorporationWiki.com? CorporationWiki.com is a business directory that compiles public records to display company connections, ownership details, and addresses. If you're listed, opting out is the best way to regain control of your privacy. Follow these steps to remove your information from CorporationWiki.com. Step 1. Visit CorporationWiki.com. Step 2. Enter your first and last name, then click Search. Step 3. Locate your record and click on it. Copy the URL from the upper left corner. Step 4. Visit Corporation Wiki's removal page. Step 5. Paste the URL of your Corporation Wiki profile. Enter your first and last name and your email address. Click I agree to the terms and then Submit Request. Step 6. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from CorporationWiki.com. Click the link provided to confirm your request. Step 7. Your records have been successfully removed from CorporationWiki.com. Removing your data from CorporationWiki.com is just one step. Your personal and business details may still be listed on many other data broker websites. Instead of opting out manually from 160+ sites, let Delete My Info handle it for you. We remove your business and personal data from Google and major data brokers, saving you time and effort. Take control of your privacy today. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com now. Like and subscribe for more privacy protection tips. Stay safe online.